mud and clouds. Okay.
So is your little girlfriend missing you, Herb? Think she's missing you?
Well, when you get 3 phone calls starting at 8, 9, 10 in the morning.
She's missing you. You get back, she's going to reward you with some relations.
If I had a recording service, there would be 100 messages or more on it.
Mike, did you say something about relations?
When he gets back, she's going to reward him with some relations.
Well, hey, ain't nothing wrong with that.
I'm just saying.
Nothing wrong with that.
You old
Guy
dog.
said, Al says, why do you put up with her? I says, well, I can tell you, but I can't tell you.
Wow, that's men talk.
Yep. How come old dirty old man at 80 are still dirty old men? Well, hey, it's just like you can take the boy out of the country and you can't take the country out of the boy. It's just born there. It's just there. It ain't as perfect as 17, but it's there.
You ain't as good as you once was, but you're as good once as you ever was. Is that what you're saying?
You got that baby
Well,
right. You
God
knew how to
bless you.
ride that song.
God bless you.
And it takes me all night to do what I used to do all night, so whatever. It's enjoyable. Well, we hit it off, which was unexpected. I was driving her, and here we are. Then we start talking.
You picked up on one of your customers?
Yeah, I hit on all of them.
Christ.
Hey, if they were 30 years older, I'd hit on them.
Herbie!
Oh, you.
So there was more to it than just helping her in and out of the van,
Come on.
Little slip of the hand while you're pushing her up in the van. I got it.
20 years of separation and I'm free, man. Both hands are free. Come on.
Let's see what's going on here.
I had to make up for lost time. My daddy done teach me right. Rest area.
You all perked up in the rest area?
I gotta calm down. Hold on.
Oh, Herbie, you make this trip worthwhile, I'm telling you.
Choo-choo! How do you spell choo-choo?
There, choo-choo.
Shoot you in the middle of nowhere.
Where's my film? Film, help! Help! I need film! Quick!
There it is.
If they weren't 15, I could tell you stories of their hair ride.
We're 17.
Okay.
They want to hear the stories?
I'll record them and leave them.
It's not a
Yeah,
key, is it?
when, oh no. Yeah, okay. You ever see Elvis's picture or movie with the beach broads and the
Blue Hawaii.
and the
Yeah.
sexy dresses and clothes and platinum blondes and big boo-boo-boos?
Write that one down. I'll spell it for you. Boo-boo-boos.
You know what 40-inch boo-boos look like?
Yeah, rest area closed. They said something.
Anyhow, with a nice figure on a, let's see, she was what? That was 15 years ago, so that'd be 65, 66. Anyhow.
Oh, that's more than 15 years ago. I wasn't even born yet, and I'm almost 40.
Right. Anyhow, I tried her around and she's wearing just like what these gals got on now.
So she's got a huge rack? Your girl's got it?
Oh, man, she's still got a rack at 79. Well, she's 80 now this year. They're only 38 though now.
She's done shrunk.
Yeah, and they don't look like 38 because she's put on a little waist. But she's one hell of a woman. And she's a hard ass, pain in the butt, sanitary clean. I tell them when I first was going with her, tell the guy, I got out of bed after sex, go to the bathroom, come back, I don't know what sheets is on the bed. She was that clean. When you mop a floor 3 times a day, that's clean.
Think
And you gotta sweep it twice before you mop it. You can't mop the floor without sweeping it.
Damn near obsessive.
Oh, yes. Yes. Very. We
Find a restroom.
What do you think of that?
I think there's a little.
You need a bucket.
They probably have film.
Yeah, better anyhow, 'cause I put a lot of coffee in there.
Yeah, see, there's a.